Hi, welcome to NDTV Swirlster. Now, in the past couple of months, the process of hair removal has probably changed quite dramatically for you. From booking appointments in a salon, it has probably moved to removing your hair at home via a number of methods. This could be through shaving, through wax strips at home, or even facial and body hair removal devices. So today I have with me the Finishing Touch Flawless Facial Hair Removal Devices. Now I have both of them with me. These are just the boxes. I also have the devices, of course, and these are two devices designed specifically for removing hair across the face. Now one is for removing facial hair overall across the face, different areas of the face, and this is designed specifically for removing hair from the eyebrow area. Now these are what the devices look like. They look no different than a slightly larger pen, and they are so nifty and handy. So I am going to show you a demonstration of how they work, as well as my experience using them, because I have been using them for the past couple of weeks. So I have a lot of exciting things to say about these hair removal devices. Keep watching this video, don't go anywhere. Now these are the two boxes in which the Finishing Touch Flawless Facial Hair Removers come in. This particular one is for the face hair removal. This is for the brows. I'm just going to show you the details of the boxes in which they come. Now they come in two colors. One is white and one is blush. This one, which is for the face, is white in color, and it is plated with 18 karat gold. It also has a built-in light at the base, which makes details of the facial hair very easy to see. Now at the back of the box are more details on it. It is suitable for all skin types, and these are more instructions to using this particular device. This is the Flawless Brows device. It is also gentle on all skin types, and it also has a built-in light. This one is also plated with 18 karat gold, and more details at the back. Again, the built-in light. It has a precise tip specifically for the eye area, the eyebrows specifically, and it is perfectly balanced for ultimate control. Now these are the two devices that I have with me. This is the eyebrow hair removal device. As you can see, it really does have a very precise tip like mentioned. This is the 18 karat gold plating, and at the base of it is a kind of matte finished body. It's in a gold, rose gold color, I would say, and it is made of plastic. So this is what it looks like. I will show you a demonstration, but first more details and close-ups of the product. This is the facial hair device. As you can see, this is more circular. That one was more pointed and angular, so it had precision in the eyebrow area. And this is it. Again, it has a similar kind of base with the gold, rose gold metal color, and the bottom of this is white in color, also made from a plastic body. Now to demonstrate this device, I am going to show you how it works on hair located on my fingers. As you can see, I do have a bit of hair right here on my fingers. I'm going to show you how this fares. This is what my finger looks like before the hair removal is done. Okay, this is it. This is how you put it on. There you can see it has lit up right here. I am going to remove the hair now. This is what my finger looks after the hair has been removed. As you can see, that is a definite difference. The hair is almost gone. I didn't do it very thoroughly, but it's almost gone and it looks very clean now. Now this is the second hair removal device. This is the one used all over the face. As you can see, it has a flattish top which is designed for more flat areas of the face, say the side lock area, the chin, the cheeks, if you have a bit of peach fuzz, that is, those kind of areas, even the forehead in fact. Now I am going to try it again on my hand. Let me show you a different area of my hand this time. So let's try it on this particular finger. I'm turning it on right here. The light has come on. I'm also going to try it on this area since this is designed for more flat areas of the skin. That is what it looks like. Now these can be opened up right here at the top to remove any hair that is collected inside the razor. This is removed right here, and the battery of it can also be changed in the base where it can be removed. For the eyebrow product, this can be removed right here on the top as well. Its battery again is located at the base of this product. I think that the finishing touch, flawless facial hair removal devices are a great idea for anyone who is removing their facial hair at home, regardless of gender, of course, because it is facial hair and everyone has it. I find that the eyebrow one specifically is beautifully designed. The tip of it is so precise and especially well built, so you can get into areas, even more tricky areas. Not really this part, I would say, is not very tricky, but these areas at the end of the wing can be a little difficult to maneuver if you shave your eyebrows or if you are getting threaded. But this gets into that place so easily. Even over here below the brow bone area, it gets into that really nicely and removes the hair very effortlessly. The same goes for the facial hair removal device. It has a beautiful flat top, like I've mentioned so many times before. I think that's a very thoughtful touch when this has been designed, because of how easily it glides around certain areas, say this area or around the mustache, upper lip area. It gets into that so well because it has that kind of precision engineered for those particular areas of your face. I find them very nifty and they are very quick to use. They are also completely painless, so don't worry about pain when you want to use these. They are perfect if you want to remove facial hair at home easily without needing too much of technique involved, without having any pain involved, and also very quickly. So you can literally remove your facial hair in a matter of under a minute, or even maybe 1 to 2 minutes, I would say, when you are using these devices. There isn't any more need for shaving or threading when you have them with you, because of how easy it is to learn how to use them and how easy it is to use them overall. I think my only grouse with these devices, I would say, would be the noise that it makes when it is being used. As you saw from the close-up, it does make a fair bit of noise, as well as from the build of it. Although it does have a chrome metal finish, it is made of plastic, and when you do open the traps especially, they have a bit of finicky pieces coming out, and it isn't as sturdy as I would expect them to be. However, in terms of performance, it functions so well, and there is absolutely nothing I do not love about it, because it is such a great device for removing facial hair at home painlessly, quickly and effortlessly.